afternoon, my beautiful people. What a beautiful, lovely, amazing day it is today. It's beautiful outside, y'all. We on our way to the gym. You heard how I correct that, right? We on our way to the gym. It is a beautiful day. Get up, get out, and get your body moving. For those of you guys, if this is your first time here, my name is Shaquita, and welcome to Fit Fab and Over 50, baby. Welcome to Fit Fab and Over 50, where I cater to fitness, fabulousness, to my seasoned women that's 50 and over. Now, don't get it twisted. If you are in the ranges of 30 to 40 or whatever, all of this still apply to you as well. Over here, what we do is we try to learn how to eat right. We try to learn how to live right, and we try our best to stay as close to God. I'm talking pin to his hip, because that's the only way we gonna survive today, y'all. That's the only way. And also, I am a hairstylist. You guys, and I teach you guys how to grow your hair with simplicity and understanding. And you guys need to come and join my lives. TikTok is my strongest platform. I go live every Monday through Friday at 9 p.m. where I teach you how to grow your hair internally and externally. So with that being said, like I just sit here and say, we on our way to the gym, and we're on our way to get fit so that we can stay fabulous. You understand what I'm saying? Are you picking up what I'm putting down? It's beautiful out here, y'all. I made a vow to myself that every day, because it's going towards summertime, and I have a birthday coming up in June. I've been had doctor's orders to get 40 pounds off me. Child, look, let me explain something to y'all. I want to be thick. I just want to be thick correctly. That's all. I want to be thick without a gut. That's all. That can happen if you learn how to eat right. That can happen if you know your blood type. That can happen when you eat foods that are specially designed for you. And these are some of the things that I talk about in my lives on my TikTok at 9 p.m. Monday through Friday. If you are a woman or a person of a certain age, and this goes for man or woman, it does not matter. You have to move your body around. You have to stay fit on some type of level. You have to stay fit on some type of level. It's very imperative. It's very important. Okay? You don't have to do hold up, I'm going across the tracks, y'all. You don't have to do no extreme exercising. But what you do have to do is you have to move your body. You have to get at least 10,000 steps in a day. Walking every day, you can still lose fat. You can still lose weight as well, especially fat. The body just needs to move, because let me tell you something. The true weight loss is in the kitchen. It's not even in the gym. But you want to move around because it's just another power punch on top of it. Okay? And you want to lift some weights, because we lose muscle after we reach a certain age. We lose muscle. So you want to lift some weights and incorporate some type of weightlifting in on your journey. All right? So that you can continue to build muscle and eat you a high protein diet. I talk about all of this on my live, y'all. So I recommend y'all tune in. Y'all lock in, because I have a lot of my followers from there coming over here so they can get behind the scenes with me as I do more. Yes, I've been gone for a little minute. I've been in the trenches for a little minute. I can't be everywhere all at once. I'm spraying myself thin, y'all, with all this new stuff that I'm learning from my business and things like that. But I'm not complaining. I got good stress. I'm not going to even call it stress. I have good challenges that's going on in my life that is stretching me and pruning me. So I'm okay with that. I really am. Okay, but I made a vow to myself to get up today. We not about to be inside stuck doing no content and learning nothing today. We about to get out. We about to move our body around, because I found myself not moving like this whole entire week. That right there, nah, that's done. That's finished. We not doing that. Okay, so we on our way to this gym. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it and feel good about it. God damn it. Let's go.
The saying, let go and let God, is real. When you fully let go of your need to be in control of your life, things become a lot easier. When you say, God, I surrender my desires and I want my desires to align with your desires. Lord, align my heart with your heart. Lord, have your way, to fully have your way. And you let God come in as the sovereign God, the God that reigns over everything. You allow him to come in and do the reconstructing. That's when things get easier, because now you're not jaded. Your vision is not clouded. Your judgment is not clouded. None of that. You allow God who sees all, the God who had already pre-written the plan, who had already written out your life, the God who says, I have a person already designed for you. You allow him to come in and start cleaning shop like he needs to, removing the things inside of you that may push somebody away, to bring in certain aspects and characteristics of you that'll be able to nurture a relationship, to bring in those wifely qualities that you may have had hidden for a long time. When you allow God to have his way and you really say, Father, order my steps, and you allow God to lead, that's when that person comes to you. But a lot of times we get so focused on what we want when it's God protecting us. And sometimes the delay is not the denial. I'm delaying you because you're not ready right now. You're not quite there right now. But when you look at your life and you go back over your life and you start scanning and you look at the times that God showed up in the perfect time, and you remember all of the things that he allowed himself to do, all of the promises that he fulfilled, that's where your anchor is right there. That's where your hope is right there, because I remember a time when you showed up and I didn't know that you were going to be there, God, but you came right on time. So if I know you're the God who is timely, then I know when it comes to love, you're going to come right on time. You understand that?
Nice.
I ain't never had everything I needed in my life when I needed it. I've never had enough money, ever. Only thing I've ever had that never ran out was favor. Michael. And some kind of way, stuff just kept always adding up. I would get denied for this, walk into this, but I really wanted this. Then I would end up settling for this, but then realize my settling was God developing. So then while I was where I didn't want to be, looking at where I really wanted to be, that would start crumbling. Then out of nowhere, God would start elevating, because God said, if you let me pick, you will get to the promised land. But if you pick, all you're going to have is problems. Put this in your notes. It's all going to add up.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another day in the vlog. We have found the most amazing, beautiful nature trail in an area called Newnan, Georgia, which is like about 15-20 minutes from where I live at, okay? Anybody who know me know I love nature, I love parks, I love walking. My channel is called Fit Fab Over 50 for a reason. I may not be in shape like how I used to be once upon a time, but baby, let me explain something to you. If Shaquita don't do nothing else, Shaquita gonna find her a nature trail. And Shaquita gonna keep her body moving, okay? Because that's the key, y'all. You have to keep your body moving at all times. You have to keep your body moving at all times. Under no circumstance. When I say no circumstance, because if you don't use it, you will lose it. You paralyze the muscles and everything else when you do not move them. No good blood circulation. Nothing good comes from just sitting around doing nothing. So today we are out here at this beautiful, amazing park, and we are about to take us a nice little journey. I'm gonna walk for about an hour, and then that'll give Queenie enough time to do what it is that she had to do, because you know she don't get out much and things like that. She don't get out much, so she need to take her little walk so we can like burn off some of this energy that she have going on within herself. But right now, y'all, I'm just soaking it all in, paying attention to my whereabouts, trying to see which direction we gonna go in, because this look like a big maze. Let me show y'all. You can either go this way, you can go this way, and when we came from that way, it was another direction that you could have went either right or left. So which way y'all want to go? So we're going to keep straight. So they decided we're going to keep straight under the tunnel. So it looks like I'm going to be revisiting real soon because I want to see everything that they have to offer. But right now we are going to walk through this beautiful tunnel. So let's go and see all the artwork that's on this tunnel. So yes, y'all, I am so excited. So what we're about to do now, I'm gonna put the phone down, and I gotta tell y'all something too when I get back to the house. But as of now, I'm about to go and enjoy my walk. I didn't even bring my headphones. What was I thinking? But no, I want to suck it up. No headphones today. We're gonna listen to the sound of nature. We're gonna listen to the birds chirp. We're going to listen to the crickets crick, and we're going to enjoy this marvelous day. All right? I'm going to pick y'all back up in a minute. You, Miss Thang Thang, I'm going to take this leash off you, and I'm going to let you walk free. You listening? Are you listening? I'm going to let you walk free. If you cut up and you run off, it's on. You go into the hot car. Am I clear? All right, let's roll.
No, she's not. Come on.
Let's see if Queenie gonna be a big girl today.
Fix her thing.
If she's gonna know how to walk without getting ahead of herself to get back on this leash. So let's see if Queenie is a big girl or she need discipline still. Because they got too many dogs in our neighborhood that walk on side they on them and they don't move. When I say they do good with walking with their owner, this one right here, she ain't trusted yet.
Come on.
And about to be 4 years old and still acting like she a newborn. All right, y'all. Let's walk.
I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed.
Want some water?
I seen another day, seen another breath, and I seen another raindrop trickle on all the leaves. I felt a little pain, but I felt a lot of joy. So I long to see and to breathe and to feel only means one thing. So I still believe, cause I know I got life, so I can't fight. And I know, say I relax on the hope of a good time, hope of a good time. Cause it's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world and not be hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance, I am. 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 I'm blessed with another chance, I am. Blessed with another chance, I am. And every day, always on my head high, and my chest high, but that don't mean I don't cry. Feel like la 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 la. My enemies, I'ma say bye bye. Energy feeling like I can't fly. I know he loves me, that's why. So I still believe, cause I know I got life, so I can't fight. And I know, say I relax on the hope of a good time, hope of a good time. It's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world and I feel hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance, I am. 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 Blessed with another chance, I am.
I don't know, y'all sound like I hear a waterfall. Y'all know I love my waterfalls. So let's see if we get lucky with a little extra trinket while we're here.
Father, Alpha, Omega, my maker, almighty one. I just don't have enough words to give you the praise you deserve. It's about that time I take a deep dive and I go all in. Faith like I'm walking on water, I better not fall in. Yeah, I'ma keep my eyes on you.
Y'all look what we discovered. We discovered that this was a lock gate where people come on here and start the tradition. What this is like in London, Paris? It's in Paris. Where they do this in Paris, they lock in their love. Oh, that's so cool. That is so cool. Look, y'all. That's real nice. Yeah. Well, let's come on, y'all. Let's finish this journey. We may have to end it a little sooner because Queenie allergies are acting up right here. She been hawking and no, I want to go walk down here right quick. Why are you going to the car? Well, take her with you. Yeah, we had to let Queenie go to the car, y'all, because her allergies are cutting up. Now, when we first came in, you could have went to the right or to the left. We chose to go to the right. But we turned around and we also see why everybody else turned around because it went off into the highway. But even though they still had a trail, but it was on the highway and just the sound of the cars and vehicles was just taking away my experience, you know. So we turned around and now since we have came back to the area where we first started, I decided to just go ahead on and keep walking just so I can get a little sneak peek of what's ahead. Okay, so next time when I come, I would know, okay, go to the right, go to the left, because the right got all of this I would like to see. The left got all of that I would like to see, you know, things like that. So with that being said, our trip is almost up. So let me be nosy and see what it have to offer. I'll call y'all back.